What's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of December 2023. We're going to talk about AMD to see if people are still buying this stock all the way up here at $141.34. Apparently, it looks like that may be the case. I mean, market's bullish in AMD. What can you say? We did a price prediction in AMD right here on December the 8th or the 11th. Looking for the price in AMD to go higher. It did just that. You guys can see that it is being impacted by the sell zone that we created as well. Now, what I can tell you is that the buyers of AMD has been chipping away at the sellers in that zone. Very good to see that. It needs to continue for us to see the price run to our second sell zone, which is around $150. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to try to figure out if AMD is going to run higher still. Pretty good price prediction on the last one, 9.25% there. Let's get rid of it. Sellers are no longer there in that zone. We need to identify the next buy zone that we can see. We got the buy zone down there on 116. Here it is. See if we can see a little bit cleaner on this time frame where the buyers are in AMD. Here's an area of buyers. Here's the next area of buyers in the market in AMD. Okay, so we got that established. We know where the buyers are. Now we need to figure out where the sellers are. Simple. This is the most recent, most apparent area of selling hitting the market for AMD. Okay. Now we're going to look at this on a longer term chart to see if the sellers are, if the buyers will take those sellers out the way. On last week, you guys can see that the price action in AMD has given us kind of like a mixed bag. It went higher, went lower. We closed right where we started on the week. Looking at the prior week, we still got that indicator of strength triggered off the time frame 2. Here it is on the 2 weeks. What do you guys think about this 2 week bar there? Still bullish. Currently, we still have 3 days and 5 hours. On the current 2 week price bar, here it is on the 3. Okay, still bullish. Nothing has changed. Here it is on the 5. Still bullish. I think the market price action in AMD is going to try to run to this next sell zone. That's what I'm thinking. Off of the current longer term charts, i.e. the weekly time frame. Look at the monthly pars. Again, we got another indicator trigger there. 3 days, 5 hours left, but it still looks pretty bullish as of this recording. So I'm still going to look for the price in AMD to go up. Plain and simple, real easy. The market is hinting that it still wants to go higher. Our first issue though is right now at this current sell zone at around 142.50. Those buyers need to convince us, i.e. prove to us that they still want to take this price higher. So let's go ahead and put this back on the chart. On the daily. And what we're going to do is we're going to create another price prediction looking for AMD to go higher. Okay. So there we are. I don't want the market in AMD to fall no lower than $131.85, 6.84% loss there. That only way I would say that this is a loss prediction, loss forecast, is if we see the market close below this buy zone on weakness. If I still see strength here at 131.53, that still tells me that the market is still trying to move the market up. It's just going to take the market longer. Okay. So first target is going to be right here at this lower end sell zone, 150, 6.5% there. Second target is going to be at the high of that sell zone, 152.08, 7.45% there. Let me zoom out to see if we can get another target for AMD. I might just drop those two. My third target would be here, 155, 9.6% movement there. Okay, I think we got it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about where you think AMD is going to go next. This is my current thesis. I want to know what yours is. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.